Cadet Sierra to start. Well, the only way it starts, this is the side where it's got no 50 pounds compression, and after I soaked it with seafoam for one day, it climbed up to be 90. I don't know if it's, I measured it wet, of course, but the thing is, I was only able to start this truck after I took the action sensor out. So the CAT catalytic converter on this side is plugged up. Swapped out the spark plugs, and obviously one seal, well, it's obviously not okay. I don't know, I guess I'm gonna try to soak it again, but